Introducing the new Tech lineup of high-performance abrasive roll-lock discs. Tech is proud to introduce a new line of abrasive discs specifically designed to prepare the wheel or any metal surface. Tech discs quickly remove rust and other contaminants so that the tire seats and seals correctly. These discs are easy to remove and replace with Tech's Easy Mount system. Tech's new lineup of abrasive discs provides superior long-term durability and are made from the highest quality materials. Tech abrasive discs make the task of wheel preparation quicker and easier. With Tech's abrasive discs, you save time and money while ensuring that this important step in the tire repair process is performed correctly. Contact your Tech distributor today to experience the new line of Tech-branded and Tech-approved abrasive discs.